Linz? Good evening. What are you doing? Just resting my eyes. Are you okay? Your face is really pale. I feel fine. Like I could live okay, very funny. Just because I thought you were a vampire, you're trying to scare me. I would never do that. You're one of my closest friends. Shall we start the movie? Okay. But first, let me get a snack. Oh wait, there's something delicious right here. Don't go, stay for a bite.
I already ate!
I haven't.
Gotcha! Halloween prank in your face!
I knew all along.
No, you didn't? You thought I was a vampire.
I did not.
Oh, really? Then, why do you have a wooden stake in your purse?
I joined the whittling club. Okay, I thought you were a vampire.
Were you really gonna drive a stake through my heart?
Only because I love you. If you were a zombie, I would have shot you in the brain.
That is the nicest thing you've ever said to me.